Today, we're going to learn about identifying cuboids and formation of cuboids.
Wow, it sounds so interesting.
But before we go on, do you know what is a cube?
Of course, I have learnt it before. In a cube, all sides are equal.
As all the sides are equal, the faces of a cube are actually squares. There are many objects around us that are cubes, like this piece of bean curd and this music box.
What about a cuboid? I can show you some cubic objects, such as a piece of brick which is used to build a house and a shoebox. But I can't exactly explain what a cuboid is. Teacher, can you tell me?
Unlike a cube, the sides of a cuboid may not be equal. Let's look at this piece of brick. You can see that its length, its width, and its height are not equal.
Therefore, a cuboid has rectangular faces, teacher.
Clever girl! Now, I'm going to show you some drawings which are made up of cubes and cuboids. Can you tell me how many each of them are there in the drawings?
Okay, I can see 2 cubes in this drawing. And this one is made of a cube and a cuboid. The last one is made up of 4 cubes and 2 cuboids.
After you are able to tell the difference between a cube and a cuboid, I'm going to teach you how to identify the number of cubes that build up a solid.
Identify the number of cubes?
Yes, what it means is to be able to recognize and count the number of cubes used to build a solid.
Oh, I see.
Look at this solid. How many cubes do you think make up this solid?
Wow, it's so difficult to tell just looking at it like that.
Don't worry, I'll make it easier for you to see. I'm going to put this on a grid like this. Is it better now?
Yes, now I can see it more clearly. 4 cubes made up this solid.
Good. This is how the 4 cubes are joined to form the solid. Try another question. What about this one?
7 cubes.
Correct. Sometimes cubes are hidden behind one another, so you have to be very careful when counting the number of cubes. Turbo Girl, you have proven to be very good at identifying and recognizing cubes and the number of cubes used to form a solid. Now, I'm going to give you a challenge. Do you dare take up the challenge?
This sounds interesting. I love challenges.
I have 2 solids here, solid A and solid B. Now, can you tell me how you can make solid A look like solid B?
Let me think. Solid A is taller than solid B. Solid A is made up of 6 cubes, while solid B is made up of 5 cubes.
Good observation. So have you got the answer yet?
Yes, I know. I need to remove 1 cube from solid A like this, and voila, it now looks like solid B.
Clever girl. Yes, by removing a cube or cubes, we can change the shape of one solid and make it look like another. What about this solid?
Solid C has lesser cubes than solid D. So, I have to add 4 more cubes to solid C.
Good. So, Turbo Girl, what can you tell from this exercise?
Well, I can change the shape of a solid by adding or removing a cube or cubes from it, and thus make it look like another solid.
Well said, Turbo Girl.
Wow, today's lesson is really very interesting, but it is very challenging too.
But you've done well today. Don't worry, Turbo Girl. With lots of practice, you'll get it.
Thank you.
Can you try to recall what you've learned?
Well, I have learned what cubes and cuboids are. I have also learned that different number of cubes can be used to form different solids.
Good. Any more?
I can change the shape of a solid by either adding or removing a cube or cubes from it, and thus make it look like another solid.
Good job. See you at the next lesson, Turbo Girl.